Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تعقلون. Translation: Say, come, I will recite for you what your Rabb has forbidden you, that you associate nothing as partner to him, and that you should treat good to your parents, and do not kill your children because of poverty, as we provide sustenance for you and for them, and you do not go near to shameful acts, immorality, whether it's open and be it hidden, and that you do not kill a soul or life that is forbidden by Allah except by legal right in justice. That is what He commands to you, so that you may understand and use wisdom. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the things that were not unlawful or haram, but the polytheists of Mecca make those things haram on themselves. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning 5 things that He has made clearly haram, and these 5 things are: number 1, shirk or associating someone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala; number 2, bad behavior or disrespect to parents is made haram by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala; number 3 is killing of one's children; number 4 is all the acts of immorality and indecency are made haram by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala; and number 5, killing someone without the reason that is approved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. An extremely important thing to note is the sequence of these haram things. That number 1 haram thing is shirk, and on number 2, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the parents, the right of parents, and doing bad behavior or disrespect to parents. Number 3 is killing of children, and number 4, acts of indecency, and number 5, killing of any innocent soul. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in this ayah that people used to kill their children because of the fear of the sustenance, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the sustenance to you, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give sustenance to your children as well, so do not kill them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned in this ayah that don't even go near the shameful acts of immorality, meaning that it should be prevented at all levels, and most of the time it starts with a bad eye, and one must guard his or her eyes as well. And in the end, He mentioned the exception for taking a soul or killing someone for those that is permissible by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, in a war that is against the enemies of Muslims or Islam's, killing is permissible. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.